So hi guys, today we're playing Subway Surfer. Oh, Surfer. So cause I started a little early and I decided why not I put this on YouTube. So let's play. You see that guy right there? That's me. That's crashed. I hate ads. It tricked me earlier. It made me wait for another 10 seconds. See? Made me watch it for another 10 seconds. Okay, now we're back. Oh no, this is not a player against me. I gotta get some coins before I lose. Yeah. Right. So I have to roll 30 times. I think I just did it for like 4 times. Now I gotta roll for like, let me think. Oh, come on! This is my song. I'm not even making up this song. I'm not against anyone. Phew, I'm not against anyone. Don't listen to the noise in the background. Just listen to my words when I'm saying. And also, I'll watch Code with Chris and Ryan Toy Reveal, and mostly mine. My channels. They give me more viewers and likes, and put the comments in below very fast before the comments get turned off. I hate when the comments get turned off. Then I don't know who's watching my thing. I might get comments from people. That's all the train things. Yeah. Train station. Yeah. Yes, I got a prize. But I jumped. Why did I get that? I jumped. Look at this dummy. Ta. He's still falling. Look at this dummy. I could probably beat that, but I'm not downloading the game. Oh my god! Someone's against me again. He's getting quite high. I'm doing better this round. Trying to make this video like 12 minutes, I think. Oh!
Today, with 20 to 40% off all bridal.
Want the new iPhone? Spectrum Mobile has a new iPhone 12. I'm so excited. And if you want to get the most out of the first
I think better getting that video because I'm not waiting.
reliable service and nationwide 5G. It's gonna be so fast. Can't wait to get it. Start binge posting.
This better not trick me again.
Selfie stories.
Another 10 seconds. That equals 20 seconds. Yup, it tricked me.
New iPhone 12. Nationwide 5G from Spectrum Mobile.
What? There's a Yahoo commercial or Yahoo, whatever that thing says.
Our mission here at Clarity Service.
This video is quite long to mention. To mention actually.
Alexa,
Oh.
ask Delta to fill dog bowl.
Voice IQ technology. See what Delta can do.
Garnier creates new serum cream. The power of a serum, a cream, and an SPF 30, all in one clean step. Choose vitamin C or hyaluronic acid.
Not again.
New serum cream by Garnier Naturally.
You know you want to.
Well, I just downloaded this game earlier. I just put it up there in that little box with that where that blue picture is. I just wish I could put a picture of me there, but I can't. I get a lot of money this round. Sorry about the noise in the background. Everything starts getting fast once your score gets higher. At first it's like slow and now it's like fast. Cause you can rewatch this video from the start and tell how fast this thing is going. Hope I don't lose because I really want a high score. Yeah. Oh. Okay, Joe, we're gonna play this a few more times.
The guy's a spook. Oh, maybe working hard.
I'll be right back.
Did you read the papers?
Yes.
I'm back.
Sometimes the story is a mask for covert operation. See two men killed in a restaurant and two unidentified men in a running shooter underneath the barrier.
Let me see.
See, you recognize my style. You're a natural at this.
And the guy's a fake, man. He's taking credit for our moves.
Hardly what I'm talking about. Two of them will bother you.
Everybody disappeared. Yeah. you know what time I woke up this morning? 6:39. That is early. And I was actually the first one to come to the school meeting. I was the first one to come. It's a FaceTime. It's not at school. It's a FaceTime. Since we can't go to real school. Sorry about the noise in the background. I'll try to keep it quiet if I can. Ooh, I got a high score. I got treasure chest. I got three of these. Monkey. And right behind this guy named Jake. Yes, I got 2,000 coins. That is a lot. Wait. Okay, so this video has to end right now. Sorry, but this has to end. Or it's gonna be too long and I can't post it. So goodbye.